I've done a couple of DIY projects now, and it's becoming very clear for me that I really need a working table, because as you can see, when I'm working, I'm always in an awkward position. So that's why I've set myself, the next project is going to be me building a working table. And again, as always, I use all these old materials. I think these ones are going to be the legs, so it's very solid. It looks rotten, I know, but it's very solid still. And these, some planks, again, chestnut planks, like I used in the car, but these one are pretty much in worse shape, but doesn't matter when it's a working table. And I don't really care how it looks, like I of course did in the car. I wanted it to look good in the car, but doesn't need to this time. So I'm just gonna find the materials in the good old stack right here. I've picked out all the wood I want to use for the table, the working table, and now I just need to carry it back in my little workshop. Now I've got all the wood back, brought it back to the workshop, and now it just basically needs to dry, but I can already now start removing all these pointy nails everywhere that's in all the wood. You gotta work for it when it's recycled. I have prepared all the wood I'm gonna use for the working bench, and now I'm gonna screw it together. You see here what I'm gonna use for the frame, the table itself, all the planks, and the legs right here. Rotten legs, but still quite strong and stable. So I'm gonna start screwing it together. It is also pretty clear when you watch my videos that I really need some more tools. Currently I'm just using a small branch saw, which I've bent so it always cuts uneven and crooked through the wood. So I really need new tools, and my father has actually offered me to get some of his old tools, because he's shifted from tools with cords to pretty much to tools with batteries only, and he's also looking to downscale, so there's also a lot of manual non-power tools I can get from him. So that's what I'm also going to be spending our Christmas vacation on when I'm back in Denmark. It's going to help my father clean up his old workshop. I've made all the legs for the working table. Now I'm just marking where to cut on them. And that's what I'm going to do for all the frame. And then attach them. So this is the work I'm going to do now. The precision with the tools I have now is not really good, as you can see in the videos. He has extension cords and all sorts of cool tools. I can get power inside the workshop. It's just an old house, as you can see, and it will really be cool to have power over there, so I can charge batteries and also use all the new tools I'm gonna get from my father for my next projects with bonsai and DIY. So I really hope you've enjoyed the video so far, and I hope the quality will be better in the next projects I'll do in the new year. The table is very tall. Apparently 1 meter and 10 centimeters is pretty tall, but I'm a tall guy. I think I'm gonna try it out, and then later maybe adjust the leg height if it's too tall to work with. I'd rather have it a little too tall than too small, because I don't like bending my back, and every time I've been doing projects my back hurts. So I think I'm gonna try it, even though it looks very tall. And you have to also think about the planks thickness. They'll make the table even taller. Now I'm just gonna strengthen the table to make it stable to work with, like with these sticks here, to strengthen it so it doesn't just fall in on itself. So that's what I'm doing now. Still very tall, even though I had a night's sleep, but we'll see how it works. This is it. Now it's done. And yeah, it looks rough and the level is not the same all over, but I'm satisfied. Now we're going home for Christmas and I can't wait to get back to this little workshop and work with the new table. I can already feel it's nice to have a nice working height where I can do my stuff without sitting on the ground, basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate a like and subscribe, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice Christmas. This is probably gonna be the last DIY video I make this year, so I hope you enjoyed.